Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm just Peachy. How are you? And I am planning on moving. Wasn't really a plan. It was we were issued with a Section 21 notice, and I wanted to just show you a little video of the amount of things we've got to pack. So anyway, on the 2nd of Feb 24, we were issued with Section 21 eviction notice, which gives us 2 months to leave our property. But long story short, I'm going to stay for a little while, but the landlady doesn't know yet. So she'll see me in court. I've decided to fight it a little bit, but I wanted to show you the amount of stuff we've got to move, because when we moved here, we had probably we had like 1.5 moving trucks roughly. Now I think we're probably going to need about 10 moving trucks to move the amount of shit I've got, the amount of stuff we've got, the amount of lovely belongings. Anyway, because we've got no idea where we're going to be going, I've got no idea how to pack, what to pack, you know, what we're going to need, what I need to get rid of, because as of this moment, I've got nowhere for us to go. Which we've got, like, according to the landlady's dates, we've got just over 3 weeks as of today to leave, and I've got nowhere for us to go. So here's the grand tour of my house. So here we go. There's my kitchen. We've got a delivery on the side there. Look, excuse all the mess, because, you know, we live here and I just have stuff everywhere. This is the living room, playroom. Mum and Dad live in here. I've got loads of stuff drying on the side there. Look at all the stuff we've got in here. Photos, pictures, toys. There's a Christmas tree still up in February. I've got all my little trinkety bits. That, you know, there's just so much. My mum's chair that we never sit in. Nobody's allowed to sit in that chair. That's mum's chair. This is my lovely messy bedroom. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. I've just got bits everywhere because I'm sorting paperwork out and things like that. So I've just got papers everywhere and stuff. So, oh look, I haven't made my bed. What a surprise. So yeah, if you're liking the video so far, why not give it a like, and hopefully you'll subscribe to stick around for more updates on my moving situation. Oh look, there's my sunbathing child. She loves it just there, you know. She lays just there, the sun comes in, it's lovely and warm, really warm there. This is the bathroom that I've finally finished decorating, and now it's just how I want it, and now we've got to pack it all up and leave. So yeah, I decorated it all that wallpaper, etc. All the furnishings in here are all mine. The only thing in here that belongs to the landlady is the actual fixtures, like the tiles, the sink, bath, shower, and toilet and towel rail. The rest of it is all mine that I've got to pack. Yay! Oh, so much stuff, honestly. The things that you collect over time that you don't even realise. Oh, look, this is my sideboard that I dump everything on when we come in. And the dressing room, the never-ending dressing room. Underneath all the clothes at the back under there is a little play area for Thea, believe it or not. It's like a little den under there. So yeah, I've got to remove all these shelves because I put all of that up. All of the clothes, all of this L-shaped dressing table. I built that myself. Just a bit of wood, you know. Anyway, the child's dumping room where she chucks all of her toys. When I say go and take it back to your bedroom, it all gets thrown in here. She rarely sleeps in this room. She usually sleeps in my bed. I paid all that, you know, when we moved in. Look how pretty it is. Anyway, got to leave that. I can paint a new one. I'm excited about moving. I'm just not just not because of all this that I've got to pack. I mean, I filmed this a couple of weeks ago. The house has changed a little bit now because I have actually started packing. Here we go, back down the hall. Look, that's where we hang everything when we come in. Coats, everything else. Oh, my plants. I love my plants. Hey, child. So that's the stairs upstairs, which I haven't actually done a video of going up there yet. Not for this one. I just I've got so much up there because it's like a storage area. Hi, bye. So I'm going to go outside and show you my outside. This is the front, and yeah, this front actually was covered in brambles when I took it, so you couldn't see those stones. Anyway, this is the front, and you'll see my landlady's house now, just there. Look, that's my landlady where she lives, and all the cameras there that she has facing my house, which is lovely. So yeah, this is the garden, front garden, one of the gardens. I put all that fence up. I know it's all that bit's broken just there, but I put all that up because there was all rotten fence in there and it just looked awful, and I got that cheap. Anyway, this is the overgrown area that I was instructed not to cut back, and now I've been told I'm taking the mickey for, I don't know, work it out. She's told me I wasn't allowed to cut any of this back. My garden goes all the way back there, look, past those sheds, all the way to the fences. Oh, my plants in there, look. Those sheds, I'm only allowed to use one of them, and I was told that I'm taking the mickey because I'm not maintaining them. Yeah, whatever. This is all Thea's like play area. Oh, that thing that I've just circled was something, when I moved in, this garden was huge. There wasn't that wooden fence across there. It was massive. Look at all this. So, look, that's a little playhouse that I got second hand and I did it all up for her. But anyway, yeah, she built some lovely structures and things after we moved in. She fenced off half of the garden and decided she'd keep it for herself because it like backs onto their garden. But yeah, anyway, when they did it, I thought we were going to get this play area thing that was in this garden, but no, she fenced it off and kept it. Then she built those structures that you can just kind of see them poking through. Just what a surprise, look, that when they sit out the front there, that they can stare straight through that gap in the fence that they've never fixed. I've fixed some bits up to it, but it's blown down again now. And I was asked why on earth I'd done that when I did it. What on earth have you put this here for? Well, it was to block it off because you're being nosy and looking in my garden all the time. Anyway, so my landlady's house is opposite there where we are now. Oh, my mower that I've never set up. Hot tub. All my seating area. This area, oh God, the hot tub is just an argument from my landlady. She relentlessly tells me I'm not allowed to put it wherever I put it. Wherever I put it is in the wrong place. That one, it's on a big, massive slab of concrete that's about 8 inches thick, but she's told me that it could break it, so work that out. When we moved in, there wasn't any of this area, actually. You couldn't, it was like bushes and all overgrown. You'll see, I'll try and draw a little bit on here to show you. And it was all like really overgrown, and there was only like a little pathway at the edge of the grass. You can see how mucky the slabs are. Look, that was like the little pathway. We cut all of those bushes right back. And look, we found all of this patio. I pressure washed it all, cleaned it all up, and there was none of this. It was just like a little pathway round from the gate to the back door. And oh look, these are my little baby rhubarbs that's growing. Look, my little baby rhubarbs. So I'm going to have to repot them now, and I'm going to take them with me, my little baby rhubarbs. Yeah, so I started growing plants for my dad and things like that because he really enjoyed it and it was a talking point for us. But yeah, anyway, so this is my house. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the tour. Oh look, I built that little bit of fence as well there. There's my car. I pay a ridiculous amount for that I can't really afford because they stopped my PIP for no reason, and I'm peeling that as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and hope that you'll like, you'll comment, you'll subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.